Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel with Dafai Darfati. Today I will be making a new 3D game. The new 3D game is called Racing Car. So it's basically same as the last video, which is the running ball, but we changed the character into a car and we add more obstacle in here. Okay, so let's just start. First, you may right click and choose add new UI screen. Do it 2 times like this. Okay, so in here we have UI screen. Change it to game over I, and in here game UI like that. After you change the name, you may put it in here like this, like this. Okay, so let's continue. Let's enter our 3D book 3D world by double clicking in here. Okay, like this. So in here we have ground. Okay, so we have ground type is grass. You can change it to no ground like this. Then we can have like a black view like that. Okay, so let's continue. So in here we have cube. Wait, not like that. Here we have cube. Uh, we we have to duplicate it by pressing Command D or Control D in Windows. Or if you cannot do that, you can use copy and paste. Command C, Command V. Or it is not work, you can click on here. Click in duplicate again. So in here we have 3 cube. Okay, so let's continue. So you may go to the asset library in here. So then in the shapes we have sphere. You may add it 2 times again in like this. Then you may go to the smart assets, take diamond just 1 time. Why I'm clicking in 2 times? Wait, I gotta delete it first. Yes, back to the library. Here we have assets. You may click it, then search for any car you want. You can choose the blue car, sedan 2, sedan 1, main vehicle, red sports car, it's good too. What do I choose? I don't know. Maybe main vehicle. Yeah, let's do that. Add to library. Then let's back to the 3D world. Why? Wait. Why? Okay, just some technical. So I pressed this 2D button, so it just changed to 2D. Sorry. So then let's continue. Let's go to the cube in here. As you can see, the name is cube. I'm gonna change the name to cube edit like this. Then you may select the scale tool in here, the one. And then as you can see in here, we're gonna make like a rectangle, I think. Let's just see. Okay, so in here we have the cube. So we're gonna change the scale in here. You can use the scale tool, or you can do it manually by using this. So if you're using the number thing like this, it will make it easier for me. It's for me, and it more precise like that. Okay, so in the cube we have scale in here. In here I'm gonna change it to 2.561. Okay, so we have a big rectangle in here. Then in here we have 0.223, I guess. So it make it thin. Okay, so for in here we can change it to 4, I think. Oh, so it's getting large. So in here we have 4. How about we gonna change it to 4.538? That extra large. Now in here we have scale. Change it to 3. The X one. I think it's not so precise in 3. So how about 4? 4.589 like this. I think not 589. How about 0.58? Okay. So in here we have the start of n, and the start should be here. Okay, so then let's change the position thing. So in here we have 0.058. So I'm gonna move a little bit. Then in here, turn it to 0.0 um 58 again, or maybe 38. Got a little down. Let's raise it up in here. How about 9.8? So it gets raised down, so we don't need the X now. We need 0 in here. And for here, okay, so in we can see in here, turn it to minus 0.078, I guess. Oh. Or maybe it's 5, 8, guess 5, 8, 5, 7. Yeah. Okay, so let's back to the scale, turn it to 0.338. So it get larger. So I think the position is right like that. Okay, so let's continue from cube. We're gonna go to the main vehicle. We don't need this, just delete it. Yes. The main vehicle, we can change it to player. Then you may drag it to character like this. Okay, so in player, go to the collision group, change it to character like this. Then for the physics on player, change it to kinematic like that. Okay, so then let's add the player. You just have to drag it like this out from the camera. Let's make it like a real vehicle. Move it up. Okay, so like that. The camera, make it straight. Okay, so let's see the preview. So the right thing for the game, if you play it, the car will move up because the physics like that. Okay, so let's move on back to the cube edit. We have the basic, it's dynamic, turn it to static. Play it. So now the car doesn't move up again. But if you turn it dynamic like this, it will move up. So actually the car doesn't move up, but the block is moving down, it's false. If you change the physics to static, it will stay on place like that. Okay, so let's continue in player. Double click in here. In we have start, 3D model, wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4. So in here we have search for move. Here move, drag it like this. So in here we have on 1.5. You can change it to -7. Then you can connect it to the created in start. So then if you play it, the car should move forward. Then the car is far. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so in here, if as you can see, we have problem. When we play it, the car move forward, but we not move forward too, not following the player. So the solution for this is to may go to the 3D world, and then we have camera. In here we have position follow. Change it to gamepad, so it will follows the car. But if the road or the tiles run out, the camera doesn't follow again because it stopped in here. We just have to continue. Okay, so let's continue. In here we have start. You may press Command D or Control D, or you may right click, duplicate it like this. So in here we have level sections. Change it to 1. Then let's delete the car. Delete it. like this. Then if you click on play, it will extend the road or the tiles for along, so it's like endless road. Okay, so let's continue. So in here we have spear. Choose it one. I want to choose the this. In here we're gonna change to obstacle. So then you can add the obstacle to the road in level section 1. Let's just use camera obstacle, out from the camera. First I wanna put it in here on the top. How about let's submerge it a little bit. Then we can just duplicate it like this. I'm gonna put it on here, I guess, or let's use cube. Wanna change it to cube obstacle. So you may put it on here, just duplicate it. That. So in here in season 1 you can creative, you can make it up to you by yourself. You can make the obstacle whatever you want. Can add some more obstacle. You can add some more diamonds or coins for the points. You can change the color for the block. So we have cube obstacle. Add it again. Oh wow, it's actually falls down. So how about we just need one? Fit a little bit. So the collision group platform still same. known, but the physics is static. I like that. So yeah, the physics is static, and then how's the obstacle? Oh yes, the obstacle is fall down. I forgot. So in obstacle, change it to static again. Okay, so merge it a little bit. We have a nice obstacle. Let's move it to the center. One, two, three. One, two, three. Command D. But I wanna put it in here. Um, lady, please. How about command D? This is still the obstacle. Oh, wow. Um, just pick this obstacle again. Put it center. The skill. 0.5. Oh, wow, it's actually, but I like small. It fits. Or maybe back it to 1, same as this. But in here, I'm gonna change it to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. This, okay, so I done making the obstacle. You can change the color if you want. Oh yes, don't forget to add the diamond for the bling bling thing. I wanna add it in here. Not not submerging. How about like this? 0.5. Small one. have to duplicate it. E and put it like this. Then again. So then we have a nice obstacle. Okay. Okay, so as road, I think we're gonna change the thing. Let's search for a road texture. Then let's just download it. Okay, so then back to Finder. You may search for road, the road thing in Cube Edit 3D model for texture. We have a nice road. Yeah, it's more realistic. Yeah. So this is the actual road I made like that. Okay, so I want to make it a little bit random. So let's go to the asset library, go to shape. How about some cones? Back to the 3D world. Can be like this. Then put the cone here. Cone in here. Then back to the browser. Can change for on on texture on download. Thanks. Back to the Finder. Then for the cone, 3D model right here. It's a little bit awkward. Um, how about search it again? Well, I don't know. Maybe like this. So this is the cone, or maybe have it. Let's exit. Just change the color to orange. Yeah, that's better. Yes, that's what I want. So in here, I'm gonna change the into a red for stop. Then in here, for like, let's go for brown. I think this is the obstacle 3D model. This is the cone. This is the stop. This is like a hole like that. And then let's back to the player. So in here we have this move. We gotta search in here touch move and search for position limiter. Okay, so in touch move sensitivity is 1.5, 1.5. How about change to grade? So if we can, as you can see, can play it like this. I can control my mouse like this. But I can't do it not on the road like that. So that's used for the position limiter. How about minimum three, minus three, minus three, max is three, three. Um, Wait. Okay, so we didn't actually need this. Just make it known. So it should do the trick. Or I forgot to do this. It should be working now. Yeah, it's working. But it's just too fast. That's getting to 5. So it got a little bit slower. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, in 3D world, it's a little this. Okay, this is for now. Okay, so let's continue. Let's back to the main map. So in here we have game UI. You may double click it. We got this open like this. Then we have control button. Uh, Pick it twice. Let's make it like this. Make it the size is equal, same. Make it this. Control button 1, control button 2. For this, change it to right button here, left button, right button, the left button. Mm, Okay, so then let's uh, pick up default font. So the name is right. think. Default function user text. Okay, so I forgot the game over. The it's for the game over one, the game over UI. So in here I'm gonna change it to score. In function change it to score. Score type points, amount best, argument one. Okay. So if I play it, oh, I'm not connected yet. Okay, so for it work, we can change it in here for amount is current. Okay, so then back to the main map. Let's connect it. So in here we have if connected, I cannot control my car again. But I can't do scores now like that. Okay, so then let's disconnect this thing like that. Then back to player. Okay, from player, let's head back to the main map again to game UI. So let's add event observer. I forgot for event observer. Okay, back to the main map. Let's connect this thing. Okay, back to the player thing. I want to make some creation. So in here, set it to UI button 2 times, then 2 times again. So in UI button, can change it to right button like this. Then this is left button, right button, and left button. This is you can change it to move right. This is move left. Right is for here, left is for here, and right button change it to right button, left button change it to left. Okay, so in here we have move right, not enable. We're gonna make it to 0. This is x is 3. And for move left, the x is minus 3. I just want to test it. If I right, you may follow me. If I wrong, you may do not follow me. And then let's disconnect this. Yeah, it should be. It's working without touch move. Okay, so let's add some more blocks. Okay, let's continue. I want to make it like this. Then I search in here for move again, keyboard move. So in here we have X and Y, put it on here, and here put it on here, like that. So like this. Um. Uh. X is for move left. sorry, wrong button, and yeah for move right, thing like that. So then if you play it, you can use your mouse and your routing, right arrow left low. If you use the keyboard move, but this is awkward. As you can see here, if I go left, it's go right. So the wrong thing is this. X is for move right and Y is for move left. Is it correct or not? Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so let's continue. In here, let's search for F collide, then search for the feed, and search for the breast explosion. We don't need to the feed. Okay, so in F collide, after you done that, you may in here we have enable. You may drag it to the start to create it, both of them like this. So it's still moving. Don't worry guys. We will fix it. This if it hits the cone, the red thing or the brown thing, it will explode. So next, let's continue. Okay, so then after you're done, in here we have F collide. Then we have affected assets, I guess. On in Devil's explosion we have assets in here. Before that, we may back to the 3D world. So in here we have spear. We can turn it to debris. Then back to the player. In debris explosion, you may click on the this painting. Okay, then choose on debris like this, then just save like that. Okay, so let's continue. In here we have if collide affected asset channel to enemy on the top. Okay, so then here we have start. So first it's if collide to bricks explosion and then defeat. Okay, so then let's continue. So in here we just connected if collide from enable to created, then collide to explode, then done to enable defeat. So if we touch block, so if you not if it touch the block, it's not explode. You may back to 3D world. So in here we have cube obstacle. I not double cube obstacle collision group is enemy, and then for obstacle collision group is enemy 2, and for the cone collision group is enemy 2. So it should, if it hits, explode. why the cone isn't explode. It's statics. Okay, so it will explode like that. If it hits the red thing, it will explode it too. Let's use the keyboard thing. It will explode like that. Make this a little forward. No, it's hit. The card's hit. Then as you can see is here, as you can see in here, sorry, if I hit the diamond thing, it will add my score like that. Okay. Um, I think that's my quick make about racing car. The last, don't forget to save it by clicking Command S or Control S. I gotta name it for racing car. Racing cars video. Else I make it for my video. Save it. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video and my channel. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.